Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have repo content. Now link it to a public site. First, verify you're using the branch you intend to publish, typically main or GH pages. Then make sure an index. HTML or readable README exists at the root or in /doc so GitHub can serve a home page. Once done, open the repository settings and enable GitHub pages. Select the branch and folder option, then save. This starts the build process. You'll see status and a tentative site address appear in the settings panel. Once you enable pages, watch the build logs. It can take a minute or two to complete. If you're using a static site generator, ensure the build output lands in the chosen folder so GitHub finds index. HTML. For a custom domain, add a CNAME file to the repository or enter the domain in Pages settings, and then update DNS at your registrar. Add a records or a CNAME as instructed by GitHub. Make sure TLS is enabled, so the site uses HTTPS once DNS propagates. Now get your live link directly from the Pages section or the repository banner. Copy that exact URL to share. Test the site in an incognito window to avoid cached redirects, and always use HTTPS once the certificate shows as active. If you see a 404 or the site isn't reachable, double-check the branch and folder selection, verify index. HTML exists in that path, and confirm DNS changes have propagated. Sometimes it takes up to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.